Today, I'm cooking my favorite dish, stir-fry petai with prawns, also known as stir-fry string bean with prawns. It is very easy, yet delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of medium-sized prawns, washed, cleaned, and deveined. 100 grams of petai or string beans, washed, split into half. Here's what it looks like. 4 pieces of shallots, cut into thin slices, 1 red chili, sliced, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of fish sauce. Start with marinating the prawns. Put all of the salt on the prawns. Marinate it and leave it aside. Heat the pan. Put in all of the cooking oil. When it is warmed up, add in all garlic. Stir fry for 30 seconds or until garlic releases its aroma. It does not need to be crispy or brown. This should be okay. Add in shallots. Give it a stir. Add in the chilies and continue to stir until shallots and chili release their aroma. Next, add in all prawns, petai. I like to have petai to be crunchy, so I add them in together. Sugar, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Give it a stir and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes for crunchy petai. The prawns and petai will be cooked around the same time. If you prefer soft petai, add them in and cook until soft before adding the prawns and seasoning, as prawns only need 2 minutes to be cooked, so they are added at the end of cooking. As I want my dish to be dry, I will not be adding water, so the prawns and petai need to be stirred constantly. Otherwise, it may burn at the bottom of the pan. After 2.5 minutes, prawns and petai are cooked just perfectly. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already delicious. Switch off the heat and we are done for a very simple and easy stir-fry petai with prawns. Now, we can dish out and serve. This is best served immediately while the dish is still hot. Oh wow, this looks so good. Let's eat. Very delicious. The prawns are fresh and sweet. Petai is fragrant and crunchy. It is very creamy with slight spiciness from chili. It goes very well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.